Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best laser engravers for jewelry. Number 1. xTool Engraver. Experience unmatched speed and precision with this industrial-grade metal engraving machine, capable of reaching an incredible 4,000 mm per second. Designed for high efficiency, it engraves complex vector graphics in just seconds, making it ideal for batch processing metal business cards, personalized dog tags, jewelry, hip flasks, and more. Featuring a revolutionary dual laser system, it seamlessly integrates a 2W infrared laser for all metal materials and a 10W diode laser for wood, acrylic, and other surfaces. With the ability to cut 10mm wood and 6mm acrylic, this versatile machine enables endless creative possibilities, from customizing business essentials to crafting unique gifts. Engineered for a clean and safe working environment, it comes fully enclosed, blocking smoke and filtering the laser effectively, preventing leaks often found in other covers. A built-in fan enhances airflow, while an optional air purifier eliminates odors. Weighing only 4.6 kilograms, this portable engraver is perfect for craft fairs, flea markets, and professional workshops. Offering 0.00199 mm motion accuracy, it ensures ultra-high-definition engraving with remarkable detail. User-friendly software compatibility, auto to manual focus modes, and a rapid 5-second positioning system make it accessible even for beginners, helping users achieve perfect results effortlessly. Number 2. xTool Portable. Unleash your creativity with a high-speed laser engraver that brings your ideas to life in seconds. With an impressive engraving speed of 4,000 mm per second, this machine is designed for those who want efficiency without compromising on precision. Its advanced technology ensures 6x faster engraving, making it perfect for personalizing gifts, crafting home decor, or working on DIY projects with ease. Whether you're a hobbyist or a small business owner, this tool opens up endless possibilities for customization. Designed for convenience, this portable laser engraver weighs only 4.45 kilograms and features a built-in carry handle, making it easy to take anywhere. With a compact size smaller than an A4 sheet, it fits seamlessly into any workspace or can be transported to craft fairs, events, or even outdoor settings. Despite its small size, it delivers professional-grade results with HD photo-level precision. The Ultra Galvo system ensures motion accuracy of 0.00199 mm and repeat precision of 0.0002 for 8 mm, capturing every detail flawlessly. User-friendly and ready to use out of the box, this engraver features autofocus and a live preview function for accurate positioning, reducing material waste. Paired with powerful and intuitive software, it guarantees a smooth and productive engraving experience for both beginners and professionals. Number 3. xTool Materials. Unlock the full potential of precision engraving with a high-performance laser module designed for intricate and detailed work. With an engraving speed of 600 mm per second, this module delivers exceptional accuracy, making it ideal for customizing jewelry items such as rings, bracelets, and necklaces. The fine 0.03 mm laser spot and 0.01 mm motion precision ensure sharp, clear, and elegant results, perfect for crafting intricate patterns, text, and designs with unmatched clarity. Built for versatility, this infrared laser module is compatible with a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, acrylics, leather, glass, and stones. It specializes in engraving gold, silver, platinum, and copper while also cutting through aluminum, stainless steel, and copper up to 0.05 mm thick. Whether you're working on jewelry or high-end metal accessories, this module guarantees professional-grade results. Optimized for plastic and acrylic, it enhances engraving performance on everyday items like computer mice, switches, and suitcases. It also excels in engraving leather with minimal burn marks, ensuring a clean and refined finish. Designed for those who demand precision, speed, and versatility, this laser module is the ultimate tool for detailed customization and professional engraving projects. Number 4. Longer Engraver. Experience unparalleled cutting and engraving performance with a high-powered laser machine designed for precision and efficiency. With an impressive 20,000 milliwatts output, this machine can cut through 15 mm pine wood, 8 mm acrylic, and even 0.05 mm stainless steel in a single pass. For thicker materials, multiple passes allow it to handle wood up to 25 mm and acrylic up to 35 mm, making it an ideal choice for professional and industrial applications. Equipped with an advanced 32-bit motherboard and a 256-bit color palette, this laser engraver delivers incredibly detailed, high-contrast, multi-color engravings. The ultra-fine compression spot of 0.08 by 0.1 mm ensures superior accuracy, capturing even the most intricate designs with clarity. A 3.5-inch color touchscreen allows for easy operation, enabling users to check progress, adjust speed, and manage settings effortlessly. Connectivity options include USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app support, ensuring seamless compatibility with professional engraving software such as Laser GRBL and Lightburn. Perfect for commercial use, this machine allows multiple units to be controlled from a single computer, significantly improving efficiency and productivity. Designed for 24/7 continuous operation, it is a reliable solution for workshops, offices, and factories. With an easy installation process and 24/7 customer support, this laser engraver offers both convenience and professional-grade results. Number 5. Longer accuracy. Achieve high-speed precision engraving with a powerful and efficient laser engraver designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. Equipped with a cutting-edge 240 MHz ESP32 chipset, this machine delivers blazing speeds of up to 10,000 mm per minute, ensuring smooth operation and energy efficiency. Its advanced multi-core processing enhances compatibility with various engraving tasks, making it an excellent choice for detailed projects. Precision is at the core of its design, featuring an ultra-fine 0.08 by 0.08 mm laser spot and an engraving accuracy of 0.01 mm. This level of detail allows for intricate patterns, sharp lines, and high-definition designs on various materials. With a spacious 400 by 400 mm working area, users can accommodate projects of different sizes, from small intricate engravings to larger, more complex designs. Connectivity is seamless with multiple options, including USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app compatibility, supporting offline use. It works effortlessly with professional software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn for enhanced workflow flexibility. Built-in safety features such as emergency shutdown, motion protection, and overheating detection ensure a secure engraving experience. Designed for versatility, this machine works on stainless steel, wood, acrylic, leather, glass, and more, making it an all-in-one solution for engraving and cutting needs. Easy installation and 24/7 support guarantee a hassle-free user experience. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.